Everyone, myself Tejaswini KS. I am from MIT College. I am going to explain a topic about a string. A string is a data type. It is used in programming such as integer and floating point unit, but it is used to represent the text rather than a numbers. String, it is a data type. It will stores the text, numbers, and like that. It is used to represent a text rather than numbers. It is a comprised set of characters that can also contain spaces and numbers. It's also consider the numbers and spaces also. Programmers must enclose a string in quotation marks for the data to recognized as a string and not a number or variable. Programmers should enclose the data in a quotation, so it will be recognized as a string. String is an array of characters and it is terminated with a special character null. It is array of characters. It will stores like this. The null symbol, it will be indicates the end of the string. At the end it will be terminated with a null character. Here I'm representing char str4. 4, it is a size. I'm storing a string. It is a hello. It is terminated with a null symbol here. In the index 0 it will be store h in 1e, 2l and 3l and 4. Here compiler automatically stores the null character at end. It will be represents the end of the string. Next, what is ADT? Abstract data type. We know that what is data type. Data type, it will use it to a data type. We can using data type we can declare a variable that can store the value. For example, int, float. Int, it will be stores the integer value. Float, it will be stores the float value. Abstract data type means abstract or entities that are definition of data and operation but do not have implementation details. It will abstract data type means it only specify the definition of data and operation. It is a set of operation. In ADT, implementation is hidden. For example, string, stack, array. In string we can perform insert, delete and substring and concatenation like that. In array also we can perform insertion, sort, quicksort like that. In stack also we can perform the operation like push pop. It will only specify the operation. It will not specify the how it is to be performed and how it is to be implemented. Stack as ADT, a finite sequence of characters drawn from some given character of a set. We can perform the basic operations like insert, delete, substring, comparing and concatenation. First is the insert function. Insert function, it is used to insert a character array, a string, multiple character into a string given starting position. For example, here a program, string A, it will store the Petrina and string B, dogs. I am going to insert a dogs to a string A at the position D. First I am specifying a position, then string. I am writing like A dot insert 8. It is a position where I have to insert, and B, what I have to insert. Here we can see that it is a display like output like Petrina dogs. Here we can see that before inserting A, it will store a string. It is from 0p, 1e, 2t, 3. In the position 3 it will store r, 4, I, n, 5th and 6th. Here after inserting, I'm inserting a dogs at the position 8th. Here 7 it is taking a space. So at the position 8 it will be storing a dogs, and at it will be terminated with a null character. It will be represents the end of the string. Then delete it will delete all the characters in a string. For example, string I am taking hello world, it will stores. Then we can see that before delete it will be hello world. I am deleting using a dot erase, and after delete it will erase. Like substring, it will print the substring of the given string. For example, string A is equal to hello, string B is equal to, here substring it will be taking a 2 arguments. It will print till position 3 from I'm going to explain now operation like substring. It will print the substring of the given string. For example, string A is equal to hello. A, it will store the hello string, and substring, it will take the two arguments. It will print till position 3, and from the position, starting position, it is 1. Starting position is 1. For example, hello, H, it is in a position 0, 1, E, it is in 1, and 1, it is L, it is in 2, and L, it is in 3, and O, it is in 4. It will print till 0, 1, 2, 3 till L from the position 1. So it will print E, L, L. Next, here another example, string C is equal to word, and here it is also take two arguments. It will print till position 4 from starting position 2, 0, 1, 2. From starting 2 to, it will print 3, 4, R, L, T. It is a substring function. Next, string comparison. This function takes two string as arguments and compare these two strings. It will return 0 if the two strings are equal. It will return non-zero value if the two strings are not equal. Here is an example. For example, left string, I am storing in left string, it is a hello, in right string word. Then int result is equal to comparison. It will compare the right string with the left string. If it is a equal, then it will be written strings are identical. Strings are identical. Next one, else it will print strings are unequal. Here I am in left string it is having hello, in right string it is having word, so it will printing like strings are unequal. Strings are unequal, so it's also returning a string comparison. It is a value, it is also printing a value. Next one, in left string I have hello, in right string I have hello. So strings are identical, then it will compare and it will be returning like strings are identical. Then string concatenation, it will join the two strings. We can see that in string 1 I am storing hello, in string 2 I am storing word, then string 3 I am concatenation using plus symbol s1 plus s2, then it will print like hello word. Thank you.